Hello, welcome back, friends. So, are you ready? So start Brainbuster, general knowledge question with answer. Subscribe this channel. All right. So, let's go. Let's play quiz. The residential place of the Britain Prime Minister is at A. 10 Downing Street, B. White House, C. Black House, D. None of these. Answer A. 10 Downing Street. King John granted Magna Carta to the barons in the year A. 1215, B. 1315, C. 1415, D. 1515. Answer A. 1215. First Prime Minister of Britain who lead the government of Britain. Of Britain for over 20 years. A. Robert Walpole, B. Lord Morley, C. Monroe, D. None of these. Answer A. Robert Walpole. British Parliament is also called A. Father Parliament, B. Mother Parliament, C. Brother Parliament, D. Sister Parliament. Answer B. Mother Parliament. In which year Zimbabwe gained independence? A. 1971, B. 1987, C. 1980, D. 1977. Answer C. 1980. Pakistan has the diabetic patients in the world. Highest number of A. First, B. Second, C. Third, D. 4. Answer C. Third. Birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated on A. 2nd October, B. 2 November, C. 2 December, D. 1st November. Answer A. 2 October. Where is the headquarters of the Globe Fund to fight AIDS? A. Vienna, B. Geneva, C. New York, D. London. Answer B. Geneva. Bloomberg News Agency belongs to which country? A. United States, B. France, C. UK, D. None of these. Answer United States. U.S. President during World War I was A. Franklin Roosevelt, B. Woodrow Wilson. C. George Washington. D. None of the. Answer B. Woodrow Wilson. Which country is the world's oldest surviving federation? A. Italy. B. Russia. C. Great Britain. D. United States. Answer D. United States. Thanks for watching.